It's non-pitched percussion.
Non-pitched.
Okay, no, that makes perfect sense. So, you had many performances of In Vain. What decisions did not work? What was not, in terms of, you had different stage directors, what were some mistakes that they made? Or were all of them to your satisfaction?
I beg your pardon, maybe I will disappoint you. The two mistakes. The first mistake is that this ensemble is not enough well prepared, because it's a very difficult piece, and sometimes it seems to be very easy, but exactly these parts are the most difficult of all. This type of microtonal music needs a lot of time until the musicians are able to know in which direction they have to hear, they have to listen. And if they have learned it, they will enjoy it.
Right.
And it could be possible to do it without light on the concertant. It works too. It has to work too. What I remember are accidents. I remember one terrible performance when one of the lights did not work, and the harp had to play in complete darkness, and the signals did not work because the musicians did not know is it a signal or it's a mistake.
Oh, no.
It was really completely terrible, and this is the risk of this playing in darkness. If there's a conductor and if there's a normal situation, if anything happens, the conductor is able to solve the problem. But if it is dark, there's nobody here who can help.
Right.
And the next problem, it's a human problem. In Basel, I remember one performance where a claustrophobic person has been in the audience. And I think this is really terrible, and I'm very sad about this, because for this person it must have been a torture to listen to this music or to stay in darkness. And since that time I always ask people who perform this piece to warn a person not to come to this concert if they are not able to stay for 8 minutes in complete darkness, and to listen to an emotional music.
Right. This is. And the biggest danger is the musicians. Okay. The biggest priority.
I think the biggest danger is the technique. If the technique does not work in the dark, if the harp has no layer, in this case, the harp player of the Klangforum, she could play in complete darkness. I do not know in which way she did, but she could.
And
well, I admire this musician because she knew exactly, I am right, I have to play now. And in a normal orchestral situation, she would have done a look to her neighbors or to the conductor, but she could not do it. Musicians are very, very alone like the parts, and they are responsible. This is correct. Responsibility. They have to do. Whatever they are doing, it's their own decision. They cannot say I've got a wrong sign by the conductor or anything. No, they are alone and have to decide themselves what they have to do.
Well, the difficulty must be, for instance, if you have an orchestra or a group that plays this 5-6 times, they know after 5 or 6 times. But if it's the first time they play it, then they may think, wait, is this the right thing? Is this not the right thing? So they have to have very precise ideas of where to go and where to go.
But I think they will enjoy it.
Yeah.
Because the contact between musicians and audience
It's intense.
is more intense than the stylus.
Right. That's very good. And this is why, one of the reasons why the piece is so exciting. Okay. Is there anything else? Is there anything else that we should know as a team, another theater or Argento, to put this together?
I hope I have written all that's important in this
So.
score. But I have to say that I'm very, very happy to do this work and yeah, well, and I'm looking forward. It's the first time that an ensemble is playing this music, which has a lot of experience with just intonation.
Yeah.
During the first performance, it's for the mostly, it's not completely true. The Österreichische Ensemble of Neue Musik, there are some musicians which are so specializing on just intonations music, but not the whole ensemble. But in Argento is the first whole ensemble, which has looking forward to this experience.
Yeah, I think it'll be great. Very well. I think this is good for our interview.